This new Akrapovic slip-on. This is original. This cost me 36,000 pesos. This I didn't go for the cheap one. It's too dangerous. They probably damage your engine. So those one have been tested, and that's the way to go. And I bought some more accessories, and when I go and pick up the bike, I will show you. Kawasaki will look totally different. Okay, I got the crush bar installed. No, it's only a small one, but we'll see how we go in the near future. There's nothing else I could find around here, but now at least I can mount my lead light in here. That will be the next job, but I wish I had that last time, so I wouldn't damage this bit here. So sir, it's all done.
Did you?
I'm not sure yet. Yes. So let's have a look. Now, let's have a look at the Akrapovic. Killer is still there.
Yeah.
I will take it off maybe just.
This is the bits. Yes.
Yeah.
But we can do it for
only this.
Yes.
Only this. Yeah. Here, I think. Oh, not this one. This is different. Okay, I'll have a look how we take this off. But I want to take this off.
Yeah.
This one. How you do that? This is different. In another one, you got insert here on the side.
Yeah.
This one.
But now, sir, we have no. This is the rivets.
You cannot?
Oh, we will take off, but we have not to replace it. It's because the rivets is in the hardware.
Okay. There must be a way of taking off.
If we're gonna take off, we must revive the rivets.
From here?
Yeah, this is the rivets.
But this is rivet.
Yeah. We have a rivet gun here, but
okay, maybe next time I bring it back and we have a look. Thank you very much.
But it's good. It's good RPM.
You like it?
Yeah. This
Yeah,
part.
yeah, it sounds. Yeah, it sounds better. Oh, I better go home before we get wet. Thank you. Okay, the motorbike is ready now, so I need to go and pick it up. So I have to walk about 300 meters to catch a motorcab from where I live, and it's stinking hot. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So let's go and see what they've done with my Kawasaki. Very hot today. Because it said 2 p.m. finish.
Migoy, na-sir, Migoy. Istorya kay
Okay, I got the whole handlebar system twisted since my last fall. So they have to do this to fix it. Wow.
Sorry, just wait
Big
for
job,
a minute,
boss.
sir.
only got a half bike now.
And then we will go to the
Okay,
exhaust.
alright. So I have to go back. It's okay, no problem. So, okay, these are the few changes that I've done. So let's start from the beginning. I got those crash bar mounted on the side. On both sides are all the same, obviously. Hand guards, full set of hand guards. I need to find now some black screws and washer because that doesn't look nice like this. It's got to be black for some reason. This set had those screw in white, yuck. And also I've got those LED light. They're pretty nice little thing. I'll show you now. Let's switch on. Okay, so and you got two colors, and you really need those two colors. It's pretty good. The yellow is less affecting the people who come in front of you. It's a good stuff. So that was really missing. Little light, yeah. So here's the normal light. So it's pretty different. So in the province, nighttime is perfect. And then so here's the switch here. Yeah, it's pretty good. So you'll see a little bit more about it when obviously we drove around nighttime. You will appreciate better. The other things we've done is I've changed the muffler, and this is an Akrapovic, and I removed the DB killer. Well, I didn't. Now let's have a bit of a lesson to it, maybe. Okay, let's see how noisy this can be. Let's put this in neutral. Okay. Okay. Let's start. It sounds completely different, right? There's nothing inside, it's all removed. You can see the bottom of it. You can see the end of it. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy. So I was looking for a second bike, a 650 or something, but I thought, nah, I'm gonna look after this baby. I'm gonna do some modification. And that's the thing I've been doing today, and it's all done, so that's good. What will be next? I need to reform this seat here because the passenger behind me have always tendency to slip against me, so that's not good. So I want to put. So the next modification will be the seat. Because you can see, obviously, here it's no problem. Yeah, this is all good. We're sitting nice and firm. Shut up, I'm talking. And but when you look at the back seat, you see with the angle, and there's not much to hold the whoever's sitting there. It's always moving forwards, and it has to readjust himself or herself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring to the upholsterer, which is just around the corner, and I'm going to make it to put extra foam here to give it a bit more of a up to lift a little bit on that side here. So let's do that. Nothing really much else at this stage that I'm thinking about. I think I'm pretty happy at the moment. So yeah, let's go and enjoy for the next trip.